Ever suffered from an earache and wondered how to get relief at home? Earaches can be a common nuisance, and finding effective home remedies can be a godsend. Remember, these remedies do not replace professional medical advice. Stay tuned for some simple yet effective home remedies to help soothe your earache. First on our list is rest or sleep. Giving your body time to rest, especially with the affected ear raised, can alleviate swelling and pain. Never underestimate the power of sleep in your body's healing process. Remember, your body needs rest to heal. Next up, we have the hairdryer method. This involves using a hairdryer set on low at a safe distance from your ear. The gently warmed air can help soothe the ache. Ensure you maintain a safe distance to avoid any burns. Our third remedy is using hydrogen peroxide. By carefully dropping it into the affected ear, letting it sit for a while, then draining it out, you can cleanse your ear and possibly reduce infection. Always be gentle to avoid damaging your ears. Fourth on our list is the warm compress method. This involves simply warming a towel and gently placing it on the troubled ear for around 15 minutes. The soothing warmth works wonders, penetrating the ear to provide immediate relief. Last but not least, a simple saltwater gargle can do wonders. Stir a spoonful of salt into a warm glass of water. Gargling with this solution aids in reducing inflammation and pain in your ear. Remember, a simple saltwater gargle can go a long way. These remedies can provide a temporary solution to your discomfort. We've explored rest, the hairdryer method, hydrogen peroxide, warm compresses, and saltwater gargles. However, remember, these are not substitutes for professional medical advice. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Your support helps us bring more home remedy tips to you.